Ngathula ngikhuluma nabani wakabathi?
Khuluma noThubelihle wakasithole, director of Blue Pill.
Mnakethu kunjani? Yeah, ngwathula now.
Thank you for having us. My name is Ebuko Wagamanke, known as Mr. Producer. I'm the founder of 1050 Studios or 1050 Entertainment. We are the producers of Blue Pill, the short film.
Before ngikhuluma ngalo ma details ngicela kunihalalisela ngithi congratulations kuya kuJozi Film Festival. Advami kwenteka into lethi so lakhaya. Kokuqala ukuthi ifilm ke siyodlala kuma film festival angaphandle. Yes, nokudlala ku TV. But kuthi vele kibe film festival kuhle kusijabulisile kutheni kuwe film yakho mawubona nominate.
I mean, I was really excited.
Yeah.
I couldn't even contain it. We were able to come together as cast and crew that's fully from Barberton,
Yeah.
from everyone essentially. So I was really happy we were able to create something and come together and it be recognized, because the Joburg Film Festival is an international festival.
Yeah.
So we got Barberton got international recognition because of our hard work.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy.
I think this is your first project you produced the festival.
No.
Yeah.
No. I think it's like my third or fourth.
Yeah. Lokusho usikhona lo nawo lo sifihlele kona nami lo ongifundisa, then kuyakhuthaza as a producer ukuthi uqhubeke, because mangabe ubona into yakho kufana nokuthi ngicollect ama hours akungistop ukuthi ngirelease music. Now kuyakhuthaza as a producer ukuthi okay uhamba ku right direction.
Yo, absolutely, and thank you for congratulating us. Yeah, and Sibonga when of course now woke on lapho ku set when we were making the film,
Holding the boom.
holding the booms. Yeah, and the listeners at home, they will see you when we even post behind the scenes.
Yeah.
No, it's really encouraging. Yeah, yes, kutuzela ukuthi imovie yethu vele like uthuba ibekile ukuthi iBarberton ithole recognition. Everyone osebenzile lapho kule movie walapha Barberton, from abo sister wakho Mathwebulo Tony to abo Thulani Sibande from Kubuhle, abo Mary Kate Masilela nawo na Prince. So into vele esifuna ukuyenza thina esi 1050 Studios ukuthi sithathe abantu bethu balakhaya sibasebenzise kuma movies, ngoba ama movie afaka ama disciplines amaningi ku art, ayakhona futhi nokusebenzisa namanye ama stakeholders like abantu be catering, like maybe mhlambe abantu bomgwaco, you never know. So ama movie are good for booster economy. And I was just so really happy because ngine confidence not only on my abilities but the team ebenginayo, and azange sidisappointed. So it's really encouraging.
Asikhulume ngale film too, because ngowelo libhalile lana wabhala iBlue Pill. Kwente kanjani ngenteka sitawuthola nezizaba ukuthi mhlambe khona lebabhizi ngawo lamaphilisi. So i-concept yale film le isuka
essentially the movie Blue Pill is about self-discovery and just allowing yourself to truly accept the person that you are becoming and not go back to that person. So I don't want to spoil it for those that are still going to watch the film, but yeah, we have our main character played by Ntombi Masina, our screen queen.
Yes.
Yeah, she did a really wonderful job,
Incredible job.
in encompassing the character Usasha, who is struggling with a quote-unquote mental illness, but it's underlining to something that is way much more deeper, which if you get the opportunity to watch the film, you will see. I don't want to give away too many spoilers since it is a 12-minute film, but yeah.
Ma-actor baningi bantu labafuna amathuba lakhaya eBarberton kusebenzisana ne-writer ne-director lefana naThube kutheni as a producer?
No, it speaks to me giving emerging filmmakers a chance, because mina ngisinayo le experience having done amanye movies before, documentaries, yabona. So when I met her, she desperately needed to get a film out because she had many different ideas. So I came in and then I chose the film Blue Pill. So it just means that, if you have a really good idea, Ulabekai, and you trust in your pen, you trust that maybe you can direct, even if maybe you still don't know a lot of things, technicalities, you just need someone to give you a chance. You know, I think into ebalulekile la ukuthi, especially being like a black female, you know, director, you know, ukuthi ubani uzokunika le chance, uyabona ukuthi okay hamba, you know, go and direct, someone who will give you confidence, someone who's support, yabona, like, and we need that, you know, even if I myself, you know, need the experience, but I also need maybe someone who's a bit higher at a higher level than me to say, okay, no, producers and I will seek support, yabona. So the chain needs to be strong, needs to be continuous, you know. So for me, I'm glad and happy that when I gave her the opportunity to say, okay, no, we can make the project, you know, she was 100% committed, and then the success of the film really shows, and I think I'm really happy at that.
Working with the production yala khaya ne-team yala khaya ngicabanga yonke le crew musiyala Mpumalanga nalabhathini kutheni kuwe because sibuya esikolweni asinathi ikolo temafilimu la vele bantu lesibabonako bangale nema-production house angale, so uthola i-production house lapha Barberton ukusebenzisana nabantu Barberton and whoever uthi excited njani nangale leading actress yakho kutheni kuwe?
No, it was really amazing because we were speaking one and the same language, from you, Prince, who was holding the boom, to the camera person. It just made sense because it was people from here. So irregardless of whether you studied it or you didn't study it, I think it's a very easy thing to grasp.
Yeah.
Especially Futhi Mosebenza nabantu. So for me, it was really, I mean, to a point, it was, you know, overwhelming because, you know, a lot of people on set, but it was a really great experience. I would do that over and over and over again.
Ngimvelo ukuthi manje ngivela ama-concept naleti create, so usakhethe leli one ngendlela usatota abo-green pill nabo orange pill yabona. Hambe njani Joburg? Nihambe kahle, nijabulile, bajabulile film pattern?
Sambi kahle at the Joburg Film Festival, you know, we did, you know, experience certain things, you know, you sometimes, especially from a producer's point of view, nezinto angeke zikujabulise, you know, wholeheartedly. But overall, I mean, I'm so happy and glad that the Joburg Film Festival, you know, did recognize our film. Our film is really nice, guys, and it's a genuine indie film, you know. It's cinematic, you know, it's done, you know, wholly lana e Baptini. It just speaks to our talent. It's exposed in all our different like disciplines. So all I can say is that, you know, I'm looking forward to traveling many other different film festivals to the point where hopefully we also get to screen Iglupu Mpumalanga International Film Festival as well. Yes.
Okay. Mina ngingumsakati le mangase ngingumsakati umuntu lolalele ekhaya ungiva ngoba ngiyakhuluma kusakata lokho. Masikhuluma nge-script writer siphinde sikhulume nge-director sikhuluma ngani nange-role yakho lapho kule film.
Essentially, i-role athi ngiqale nge-script writer because uyena umuntu onalama idea, right? So if you have an idea and then you jot it down, usibhalele script from the way that the person goes from A to B to C to whatever Z. That's the job of a script writer. Ilo muntu obhalile leyo idea. So it's not very hard to do, but it takes a while. And then a director, ilo muntu lo who has taken that said script and then has like the visual ideas. So actually it really helps to write and direct because drama visions, they won't clash. Because masufika kwi-director, i-director iyona le nalama visuals ukuthi okay, ngifuna ukufika i-camera ngiyibeke angle B, ngiyibeke angle bani, ngibeke angle bani, ngifuna ukukhetha lona who's gonna act, this is who I want to work with, who wants to produce, this is the colors of the dress that I wanted to be, this and this and this and that. So essentially there's a lot that you're doing as a director.
Yeah. Ngisho njalo sengiphethe i-career ngikuve kahle uchaze ngayiva ngaze ngayinabela la producer sendani mangabe si-producer.
Okay, so to simplify i-producing, umuntu oplanner, umuntu organizer like everything. Yeah, when uhlanganisa wonke lo muntu ombonako nje in a film production. Even the person pick up a cable when you are responsible for that person. So umuntu uhlanganisa yonke lento yabona. Umuntu okhipha nale mali or lo muntu owenze make sure ukuthi le mali itholakele mangaba ayikhishwa nguwe. Yabona. Hey, umsebenzi omkhulu kakhulu because angisho you know ukuthi usebenza ngama cycles nangamaviki. Sometimes uthola ukuthi umuntu udala ugcina ukusebenza sekabhadaliwe yena seka move on, but wena as a producer uhlezi nalo msebenzi, maybe kushoda lokho nalokho, or le movie ufuna ukuyifaka kuphi, akekho umuntu uface lento leyo when we want nje, yabona. It's like you are a project manager to simplify it, you know. Nokuthi, you know, as a producer you need to pick and work with, you know, the right people, the right candidates of people, yabona. Talking to them, making sure good like they submit, yabona. Gulukhulu, yabona. But asibambe lapho, you know, angeke sibe nesikhathi enough to properly explain, you know, these roles essentially, because lama discipline abaluleke kakhulu, and it's not easy to actually make a film. This film, we need to mention, good, like it took us 2 years to make for a 12-minute film. So that's why I would say iphumile by accepting Joburg. It's not a small feat. It goes to show our dedication, you know, and our hard work and our patience as well.
Khuluma ngokuphika abantu ukuthi lo munye umsebenzi wenu ukuphika abantu la nende ma audition nawanzenza ama actor nenzenza ne TV yakudala lana. So ni pick njani le actor yenu ukuthi okay this is the right actor nakhona ukuphika amantombi?
No, njengoba ushilo Prince, we did like a call out for auditions, and then it was sort of like a word of mouth situation. So sakhuluma no Tulani, and yeah, but we spoke to people who were acting like Gindi and all of those people, and then from there it was like a word of mouth situation. We did a few posts as well on Facebook and stuff.
Yeah, so we did a casting call, you know, initially, and then from a casting call, I mean, you're not gonna just do only a casting call online or just wherever. You also need to do like a word of mouth to spread the message. So when we receive you know, low engagement guma casting calls, or we barely received anything, then we started reaching out to people around us to say, hey, do you guys know any actors or people who are involved in the space? One thing led to another. I think it led us to Ola King Kambulo, the guy who once did MG. And then when I spoke to him, you know, Lucky then gave me my contacts of many actors or actresses that are based here, because we were looking specifically for actresses. You know, we're finding a lot of gents, but not a lot of actresses. So yeah, he gave me, you know, contacts for a lot of actresses that were local. So many of the actresses, I think about 9 out of 10, they were out of the industry, you know, and we understand that because I'm sure there's no economic activity around art or film. So when we reached out to some of them they were also outside of the province, because now it was getting a bit desperate. You could say like, yo, even if it's someone from Bombela or Ligas or wherever, Matsulu, if you are really good at, you know, acting, maybe we can give you a shot. So yeah, we did online, you know, casting auditions now, asking them to send us monologues and stuff. And then one contact we got was Yagaman Tombi, and then one thing led to another. She did about like 3 different monologues, you know, and she was so willing to, you know, when we requested this, because now, you know, you start to filter out the actresses, and then you start to ask them to like, yo, please, can you do this now? And then she kept on doing that to a point where we were fairly happy with her performance, and then we decided to meet up with her at Standing Restaurant on a face-to-face meeting. I think when we met with her, everything was just sealed.
Lo togwinya lamaphilisi lo nanguye straight seliphumile film lendekile, ujabulile ngemsebenzi wakho ukuthi ya finally
ngijabule kakhulu nawazi
noma ngasale ngekela vele sekukhona lengibelile emhlabeni
ngeke ila ngiqala khona ngipusha kakhulu but ngijabulile. Like, I can't even express how happy I am at this point. It just goes to show that, as pretentious as it may sound, like, don't give up. Like, don't give up. Your dreams truly are valid. When people tell you that your dreams are valid, they mean exactly that. Never, ever, ever, ever give up. Mishmatua, you're the only person who has this idea. It's called a vision for a reason, because only you can see it. So That's what I'm going to say.
Ngibone makwakho akusavota ngalenye indlela walindela nani yathi solo
She was
nitafuna
holding the boom as well.
nitafuna dream yomntwana wakhe iphumelele isupport yamakwakho itheni kuwe
No,
mawumbona
support is very, very important.
Yeah.
Especially from family. It's very, very important because that's where the ideas begin. Mina ukufundela ifilm and all of these things kwaqala khona ekhaya because ekhaya kwakunama DVD. I just want to preface that
Yeah.
Blue Pill is a horror film. So we had a lot of DVDs, so House of Wax, or you name it. We had a lot of DVDs that were of the horror genre. So I was easily influenced with that. Ngagcina nami sengiyithanda le nto ngiyibona ukuthi kanti yenzeka kanjani le nto. So I'd watch my credits at the end and do my research and whatnot, and all of that was because I was allowed by my parents to just be.
Yeah.
So support is very, very important, whether it's from friends, it's from family, whoever. It's very, very important because it's encouraging. Sometimes you do need that encouragement, especially if uzosebenza that's not very usual, especially in this town.
Producer njengoba ubekisile ukuthi umsebenzi wakho ukuthola labanye abantu nabantu labatosincedisa nawe as a producer kukhona la basincedile so uthola isupport kutheni kuwe la labantu lebe basincedisa ukuthi mhlambe ngisho ukuthi ngevenue la beshuthela khona maybe nekudla lesikutholile nalabanye labakhona ukuthi akutoncedisa kutheni kuwe mabasupport.
Yeah, no, it was incredible, man. The support was really incredible, you know. And mawenza like indie films, support uthola kakhulu from immediate family and the friends. And for me, I must also say, like, you know, my church to a certain extent, like My Twin Ministries, I'm so grateful for it, you know, because without like a place to belong or a community, and there's not much you're gonna achieve. You still need to be part of a certain community. Yeah, but even now, Mantombi, you know, to a certain extent, God brought us together because she's also like a member of our church. You know, it's just that she hadn't been attending for a while. Yeah, but so I think his support has been amazing, but I also wanna, you know, give God the glory, you know, I exalt to his wonderful name. It is because of him I'm able to also now do this, because the industry, like many people would say it's a niche industry abantu abaningi abangaunderstand abayibona ngathi ungena kabuhlungu yabona just nje nathi ukuthi sibe la beBabathona movie ethi ba recognize senza ngani yabona no asenze ngomuthi or anything, it's by the grace of God, you know.
Batshele ukuthatha lento ayinabungozi manuka.
Exactly.
Ngathi ukuthi
So, you know, all glory to our Lord Jesus Christ. Yeah.
Sivethile kusiboyi producer saveta ukuthi script writer boy director. Okay, Merkate Masilela sikhulume naye la as director. Ngobani lesicela khuluma ngamantombi. Labantu ababukeka babahle lapha kuleli film lapha khona sesileba solo abagcobisa se i-team lebe ikhona bobani besebenza nabo labanye bebenani ma roles apho.
Yeah, besiphethe no Ncedo Mandlazi who is our makeup artist. Uncedo vele sisebenza naye kakhulu kumanye ama movies. Yeah, one besiphethe uTony who was also like a production assistant or assistant of Mary Kate. Besiphethe uMzandile Maseko, you know, who was also like our production assistant. Besiphethe uPrince, our radio host today, Naya, who was our production assistant, you know. Besiphethe uSifiso Dliwago, who was assisting us with transport, even logistics. Besiphethe standing in a restaurant when it comes to like our food and catering. Besiphethe obvious umama Thube naye asiphekela in some days, you know, naye weza on set wazobamba iboom. Besiphethe uPerfect Ngwenya wasemjinini naye uzile wazosi-assista. Besiphethe uLwazi Gumbi from the camera guys naye wabakhona wazosi-assista. Besiphethe uThulani Sibande, uTom from Ukubuhle, Magic Mike.
Bathini uTom is a darling bathini.
Yes, besiphethe yena. Yeah, so these are the people that I'm thinking of now on top of my mind. I hope angikhohli abanye ababalulekile, but obviously bakhona nabanye be-post laba abahlanganisako, you know, abo Clark Favors, abo Putuma Namela, you know, abo Adiyemi with the coloring, you know, vele i-movie ifaka abantu abaningi, you know, the support like esitholako from imndenini yabona. So but everyone else, Mr. Gorge as well, you know, SMH Productions usupportile when we had to do ADR like ama voiceovers niyamazi yena futhi Sons of Adonai is going to be happening soon, so naye nambe nomsupporter. So uyabona ukuthi like esumphakathi sihlanganisene sasebenzisana injalo vele ama movies. You think ukuthi hey asifiki la kanti siyafika.
Uyafisa kusebenza nalamanye ama production uyatibona kulamanye ama production.
No, definitely.
Yeah.
I'm here to change the horror game.
Yeah. Okay. Wena utenge horror wena kanti kahle.
Ngehora, angizidli kuzohlala.
Yeah.
No, honestly, I'm here to change the horror game when it comes to me personally.
Look, we are making a film that is going to be an international, yabo.
Yeah.
So these are the things we face, especially myself as a producer, yabona, because you be surprised, yabona, what we go through. So I think ukubalulekile ukuthi sibe nama talk so that even people nabo beze babuza ama questions on art, case focus on, because sometimes before we even try ukuthi silethe state like government afike intervene, sometimes we also need to look at ourselves to say okay siyakhona thina na ukusebenza amongst ourselves, yabona, like not only ukuthi sisebenza sonke but sipushane sipromotane, yabona, like yo guys, be proud, le move leya sekhaya, we've seen people supporting us, we've seen Abu Puchu while he was still here supporting us, and we appreciate that, yabona. You guys also are supporting us, so balulekile, yabona, like the community radio station balulekile ukuthi vele nayo yenze awareness, ukuthi hey guys, nabantu abenza ama movie like 1050 Studios, yabona, check them out, yabona, because at the end of the day this thing promotes iBarberton, and ukhumbule ukuthi we also have the Makonjo Mountains, which is a World Heritage Site. So when people come here, they're not only looking at like our beautiful, landscapes and our biodiversity. They also will get an opportunity to also be like, okay, what can I watch that is from here? And then that's when our movies come into play.
Ingaphepha nale golide usaba kusho wena ukuthi ingaphepha nale golide. Hey babhizi man.
Yeah, so when it comes to like movies and projects, I know ama ideas wona maningi, yabona. It's just ukuthi our page, yeah. It's all about finding the right timing to produce them, yeah.
And money.
And money,
I
definitely.
just want to preface that.
No, it's money.
Yeah. Kuwe as a writer and a director ngicela kubonga on behalf of the industry nalapha Barberton, because sonke sifuna kuba dita. Yabo, bekufuna ngabe ukhethe ufuna kuba actor lapho vele manje wena no ube behind the scene.
No, you never know.
Yeah, ngisho that's why ngikhulumela la kule blue pill ukuthi siyabonga, because lokubhala le movie le unike abantu labanyenti ma opportunity. Wena ngenteka mhlambe bongaboni ngenda ucabangela ukuthi movie yami but movie yakho inike abantu labaningi ma opportunity. Umbonile amantombi ba excited njani kule interview ukudlala lapha, so yeah siyabonga.
No, bonga mina, because this is bigger than just me and us. So So bonga mina, honestly.
Producer nawe siyabonga ukuthi ufune ukusupport umntwana la khaya. Umuntu lo ufuna ukulandela because nawe uthi uhayela
on TikTok and on Instagram. It's at Tubelihle Sithole, and small letters Tubelihle Sithole.
Nugget.
Yeah, mina follow nami ku Instagram on my personal account, Debuho Manghe on Instagram, Debuho Manghe as well, or I am Mr. Producer. Because the Kamala Mr. Producer live more and more famous every day. Yeah, but ngicindezela balaleli ukuthi ba follow i1050 Studios across ama platforms, because lama opportunities asoba khona njengoba ngicindzelela nezindaba zokuthi sibe nama talks around arts, just to have an understanding, what can we do to improve our community, what can we do to improve in Mpumalanga as a whole when it comes to like arts and culture, because i1050 Studios is rooted and is founded in the vision yokuthi we want to pioneer filmmaking in Mpumalanga. We see what's happening in Cape Town, we see what's happening in Joburg, we see what's happening in KZN, but now is our time, and before Siabo, Momela, Boligas, Momatsulu, we need to start somewhere. So Tina, we decided to start here at Barberton. Go there and watch it. Tell your friends, tell your family members with Babueli Butle, so that you can see the potential, you can see our abilities. Now Spuile again with the Blue Pill, Nyak Temisa Balalili, Siabuya Foot again with another movie. So stay tuned. So just follow 1050 Studios. Sayapala. Sazo producer, the Maliona sizoitola, sizoenza even more movies, sizoenza even more documentaries to create more awareness about our beautiful town. Yeah.
Sibongile ukuthi nisivakashele la. Okay, ayi, go right, if you time breakfast.